Hello, you guys. Thank you for joining me on a 5-minute makeover today. Woo woo. What is everyone up to? So today we are going to do us a quickie little purple everyday eye look using our customizable pressed shadow palette. Okay. The number one question I always get asked by many of you guys is, how in the heck do I do this eyeshadow thing? Well, we are going to do eyeshadow made easy, okay? First, however, gotta hide the mombi. How many of you guys have white liner in your makeup bag? I strongly recommend white liner. Makeup bag must have, okay? Makes your eyes look bigger and brighter. Makes you look more wide awake. And, you know, you might not have to drink like 20 gallons of coffee. Just saying, because the white liner is going to pop your eyes. Okay? Let's do it. Okay. With my fluffy crease brush, and by the way, if you hear my dog barking, her nickname is Spastica, just saying. So I'm going to start with the fluffy crease brush and this beautiful color Nimble, and we are going to put Nimble in our crease and on our lid, and we're going to kind of blend it up to the brow bone. That's why this fluffy crease brush is great. Because if you're like me and you don't have a lot of time, the fluffy crease brush kind of does that blend thing for you. And I'm patting it on. And a little tip, these are highly pigmented. I did just put some eye primer on. That's what I was slapping on my eyes when I said hello. There we go. But you don't want to dig in. So a little tippy is hold your brush at the end to get used to like just going super light, okay? See, we could like leave it there, but I mean, we got to have purple, you know. In my case, I got to match my hair, people. Now, with the same fluffy crease brush, this beautiful color, Optimistic, is one of my favorite highlight colors. Now, how many of you guys are in the over 40 club? 46. How many of you guys are always told, oh, if you're over 40, you should not be wearing shimmer? You know what? Pooey on that. Shimmer, when applied under your brow bone, and remember, tap off, and on your inner eye. And you could use any color, but I like shimmer. It's also another way to make your eyes look bigger, brighter, wider. Hold on, let me grab that phone. I'm back! I swear these people call me constantly. Anyways, back to ways to make your eyes look bigger, brighter, and whiter. This is also a really good tip if you have hooded eyes. And I just flipped it over and see, look, you just kind of tap or pat a little bit in the inner corner, a little bit right under the brows. Don't worry, we're going to get it all blended. We are, I promise. This is Ambiguous. Now, I tapped off my crease brush, my fluffy crease brush. You could also get some brush cleaner, you know, for a quickie, you know, cleaning, but I just flipped it over, and we're going to still use this, okay? And this is the same one. So remember, top off, and you're going to apply it in the middle of your lid, blending outward, okay? And I'm just kind of patting this on. So you're going to start in the center and just kind of go out. Okay, so we have that little bit of Optimistic shimmer, the eye brightener. We have that little bit of Nimble that we slapped on the base of our eye. Woohoo! Are you seeing how easy this is? Are you just sitting there going like, oh my gosh, Renee, thank you? Because, okay, let me know in the comments, like, how long do you have to invest in your confidence in the morning to put on your face? I have normally under 10 minutes, and I have tried to come up with as many little hacks and tips and tricks that I can for you. See how easy that was? Now with our crease brush, this beautiful matte color. Marvelous, ladies, marvelous. Well, and gentlemen, this is one of my favorite brushes. And look, that's just a little tap. Make sure you top off. We're just going to put this in the outer crease. So how many of you guys have littles? Like when they're learning math, the greater than less than symbol? you're going to do a greater than and a less than on your corners. Or you could do Pac-Man. Pac-Man versus Mrs. Pac-Man. Do a V on the outer crease. This is going to really pop your eye and really bring out that purple. It's also going to give you a slight, like, ooh la la effect. And you could also double it as eyeliner. Look at the contrast with that white liner. Isn't that so pretty? So I'm tapping off. Now, when you use the crease brush, again, see how I'm holding it towards the end? Just do little windshield wiper motions. Now, we're not doing the whole crease with this one because this is just a quick, simple eye look that we're doing. And then with the blending brush, which you could also use that fluffy crease brush for this. I just like showing you guys different options because good brushes really make a big difference. Which one's your favorite brush? Like, how many brushes do you use? Hold on, let's fix that. We don't want eye lines showing. It's like when we wear stretch pants and have, yeah. Okay, let's get our lashes on and our look shall be complete. Let me grab my lash curler right quick. So I have blonde lashes that stick straight out, even though, thank goodness, I swear by our Esteem Lash Serum. Can you hear me? I use our Esteem Lash Serum on my lashes and my brows. It is amazing. It's really filled in those bald spots that our brows get. Okay, but to get complete total lash-tasticness, grab your lash curler, heat it up. Just do the 1, 2, 3 method because, I mean, you're heating metal and you just want to get your lash curler warm so it holds that curl. I'm going to use my favorite mascara in the world. I call it Lash Crack, but on my website, it is 4D Epic 1-2 One-Step Fiber Mascara. And you just want to get your wiggle, jiggle, twirl on. See, wiggle, jiggle, twirl. You do your wiggle, jiggle because it gets them fibers on your lashes. And then when you do your twirl, and I'm left-handed, so sometimes, yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's one coat. That's just one coat. Now, this double-sided wand is packed full of lash-tasticness. So you want to kind of wipe it off, okay? So let's do this side. I dropped a little eye primer on my nose. So remember, wiggle, jiggle at the base of your lashes and use a light hand. Everything that I show you guys requires a light hand. It's not a let's dig in and make sure stuff stays. This stuff is going to stay. Now, you could also pair this with lash primer. It just, you know, again, depends on that time thing. Our lash primer, my lash primer is amazing. It lengthens and helps thicken, lengthen, and condition your lashes. And I have a wonky lash right there. How many of you guys do your lower lashes? Lower lashes are optional. I do my lower lashes because, again, I am always on that quest to make my eyes look bigger. So super quick, super easy. I already did my, my foundation and my brows. Did a cute little ombre look using showy and soft-hearted splash. This everyday eye look will take you, because you're not going to be sitting here like I am yipping and yapping. It will take you 5 minutes or less. You could do your whole face, be out of that house in 10 minutes or less. Let me know what questions you have. Thank you for joining me. We're going to 5-minute makeover for this purple everyday eye look. Optimistic, nimble, ambiguous, and marvelous. I will post all the info up there. Make sure we are connected. Let's be friends. Let's be friends on all my various social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I do lots of quickie tippies on IGTV and YouTube, and I love you all. Have a fantastic day. Bye.